chassis good. I'm good.
Custom coilover since 2006. The coilovers. I know. We're installing some coilovers that John got. BC Racing coilovers. Racelands. They do, bitch.
That's messed up. Hey, what are you doing?
Smoking a cig. Smoking a little cig. Taking a cig break. So he's gonna install those coilovers one by one because he's a little dicks up here. So you okay there, buddy? You okay there, buddy? Hey, buddy?
Dude, I cut up all the jalapenos and then I went pee and now my fucking dick burns.
Yeah, nice. Will we finish these tonight? I don't know. We'll see. Or will John finish these tonight? Will you finish these tonight, John?
Hopefully.
Alright. Hopefully we don't run into any strip bolts. I don't know what else, but. There's a shake dude. Look, can you hold that real quick?
Before and after.
Can you hold this real quick? Recording? It's already recording. It's gonna be. This is a new type of shake weight, dude. Look at that. Does it work? Right, dude. Really gets that pump in there. Hurt yourself, dude. Is there two different coilovers in here? Hold on, two different springs?
Yeah.
What the?
Why would he do that?
Stiffer, probably.
That's janky though. It is.
What the hell?
I'm surprised you're here.
You're definitely gonna be rubbing some way. Like, definitely. Well, no, because the wheel's small, but I mean, you're in the front, you ain't gonna be able to turn. You should roll your fenders with a phone book. There you go. Let's see how low this thing is. It was lower before on two springs.
It was, huh?
You're cool, bro. Look at me. I got coilovers. I'm cool. Oh no, you're still a bitch. Yeah.
Hey, hell yeah, there you go.
I got coilovers. I'm cool. I got money to spend on coilovers. Let's us broke people go. Come on, Andres.
Yeah, come on. Fuck out of here.
You got all these cars right here. An S2000, a Civic, another Civic, another one in the garage. This Elantra. So John just did a coilover install within 3 hours. New world record. Just kidding. How's it going over there, John? You just got it. Just stick to watching these videos. Oh! I like how we're working on John's car. He's not even here. Like, we did all this work with him not doing anything.
I know, dude. We pretty much did the whole thing. We pretty much did the entire installation
We
by
did
ourselves.
the whole installation by ourselves. Yeah, bro. Don't worry. We got it. You can take a break. We'll do the gosh, dude. You're a dick,
You're
dude.
such a dick, dude.
We gotta work on his car.
You're such an asshole.
Don't you guys know how that works already?
Dude, at least put the wheel on, bro.
Fine, I'll finish it, dude.
If we're gonna do anything, at least put the wheel on.
Hey, you know the sad part?
What?
You know the sad part?
What?
So when people see this video, all they're gonna see is me starting, but they'll never know who did the whole full thing because it could be true. So forget
No,
you.
cause I recorded in between.
Oh, yeah, but you could just edit. Saying, because you got the skills.
I'm gonna punch you in your dick.
Hacha!
We're gonna go on a test drive. The back is really
Stiff, huh? Maybe I should loosen it up.
damn.
I might loosen it. I might make it softer now. I don't need it
The
anymore.
back, we're we're gonna go on a test drive
Let me soften it up.
right now.
Yeah. Just, well, I already know how it feels like tight now. Like, here, let's go. Get your light.
Is it?
Yeah, it's already all these soft.
Then put it in. Then tighten it. Stiffen it up. All right. Round 2.
Hell yeah! Damn, you get off my ass, bro?
Sorry, dude. No. Jeez. That's it. It's installed. Took him 2 hours.
Did it really?
2 hours, an hour each side.
Huh.
Yeah, took him an hour. So, but it rides pretty good. Pretty stiff. Pulls excelente. So, I don't know what's next. Guess wheels? I don't know. It's all up to John. It's up to John.
Next up is tires, stretched, and then fitment time. Gonna visit Mr. Fenderola.
We'll
Yeah.
see.
Get my fenders rolled, fitted.
So, but that doesn't matter. The Civic doesn't matter. The S2000 is really what's, you know.
Yo, follow It's John Orr. Just letting you guys know the best content you ever see. Dogs, bitches,
Shut-
titties, nipples.
All right, then. Well, that's it for that. We'll see what's next.
We'll catch you the next time. It's John Orr. Peace out. We love you.
You're supposed to hit the camera, not the screen. It's not
Sorry.
the screen
Well,
recording.
I'm used to like a bigger camera, not some inky dinky camera. So I'll see you in the next one.